My name is Afri Kenyan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. For those who returning subscribers, welcome so much, and for the new subscribers, welcome, and kindly subscribe. Continue subscribing to my channel, guys. I'll be teaching you many things on how to cook African meals. I am the village chief chef. So today we are going to make colored popcorn. So guys, it's a very easy way of making colored popcorns. The things that we should have are the ingredients. We have the popcorns here. These are the popcorns. And then we have sugar. I'll show you every process. We have butter, margarine. We have colors. There are somewhere I'll bring them. We have here the cooking fat. And then we have the sufuria here. This sufuria we are going to use for cooking the popcorns, for popping the corns. And then this one here is a small sufuria whereby you are going to use for mixing the sugar and the butter and the colors. We also have water here for coloring. So guys, let me take you through the process of making colored popcorns here in the village, guys. So let's start now. We shall start by, come here. Oh, so guys, and then we shall add the cooking fat here. It's a very simple process, guys, until it covers all the, like that. And then we'll wait for the cooking fat to get hot. So guys, we are going to add our corns here. These are too much, oh my god. And then we add salt. So we are going to add salt, guys. And then now so guys, our corns are starting to pop. Let's keep. Oh yeah. Oh my god. They are popping in a very nice way, guys. So guys, it's ready. Shall get this out of the fire. It's very hot. And then now we are going to prepare the ingredients for this sugar. Come nearer. And then we are going to add a little bit of water. Funga vizuri. Yeah. So guys, this is sugar, water, and then we are going to add the margarine. Oh my god. then we melt it. And then I'll be showing you what to do next. Wow. So let's wait for this to melt, guys. So guys, it's still melting. It's almost melt to the fullest. Let's still wait for it to melt. Still have some little lumps. We are going to wait for it to melt completely. So guys, it's now fully melt. So we are going to do our thing here. So we have two colors, guys. We have the red color and then we have a blue color here. So we are going to mix. So because we have two colors, we are going to divide the cones into two. So now, this is the melted butter, sugary melted butter. So because you have two colors, we are going to divide like this into two. And then, we are going to add the colors. This is the blue color. And then now we are going to add like this. Here we go, guys. This is the this is it. And then now we have the red color here. Here we go, guys. These are the blue and this is the red. So here we have the colored pecans, blue and red, guys.